Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this beginner friendly home sleeper for 2-year baby. It's super simple and easy to make. If you want to learn how to crochet this, please watch the full tutorial. So for this purpose I am using a 3-ply yarn. It's a thin crochet yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. If you are using a thick crochet yarn, you can take regular crochet hook, but I am using a steel crochet hook. First of all, make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook by wrapping the yarn around your fingers, and then make chain 2 to start your first row. Now wrap the yarn and then pull the yarn through the magic ring, and then pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. Again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our double crochet 2. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4. Now complete 12 double crochet stitches. After completing 12 double crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring and go into this very first double crochet stitch here. Chain 2 is not counted as our stitch, so go into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now make chain 2, wrap the yarn, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our double crochet 1. Go into the same stitch again to make a second double crochet stitch. We are going to make 2 double crochet stitches into every stitch, so go into the second stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches here, and then go into the third one and make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same. Now repeat the same pattern till the end of the row and complete 24 double crochet stitches. After completing 24 double crochet stitches, go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch. If you are using a regular crochet yarn, these 2 rows are enough and you can continue making 1 single crochet into every stitch for 2-year kid. But I am using a thin crochet yarn, that's why I am going to make another increasing row. So make 1 double crochet into our first stitch and then go into the second stitch and make increased stitch here by making 2 double crochet stitches into the same, like this. Now go into the next and make 1 double crochet and then go into the next and make 2 double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now repeat this pattern one more time, double crochet 1 and then go into the next and make 2 double crochet stitches here. If you are using a regular crochet yarn, you can just make first 2 rows of increasing, but I am making a third row as well, so complete your row. So after completing your row, go into the very first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. So this is the size for 2-year baby. Now make chain 2, go into the very first stitch and make double crochet 1, go into the next and make double crochet 2 go into the next and make double crochet 3, go into the next and make double crochet 4, go into the next and make double crochet 5, and simply make one double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end of the row. So after completing this row, now I will show you the circumference of our slipper, which is almost 7 inches. That means it's 14 inches in round, which is perfect for 2-year baby. Now simply make one double crochet stitch into every stitch. Till the end of the row, and simply repeat these simple rows. For the desired size. So friends, I have completed total 7 rows. I will show you the measurement. Measurement is almost 9 centimeter. So now I am going to make this open part. So for this open part, make chain 2, go into the same stitch and make double crochet 1, into the next double crochet 2, into the next double crochet 3, into the next double crochet 4, and skip last 10 double crochet stitches. So friends, I have completed my row. I have skipped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 stitches. You can skip more or less number of rows according to your personal preference. So now for the next row, make chain 2, go into the very first stitch and make double crochet 1, into the next double crochet 2, into the next double crochet 3, into the next double crochet 4, and simply make one double crochet stitch into every stitch till the end, and then repeat this row again and again until we reach the desired size of our shoes. I am going to make 6 rows for this open part. Now the size of our slipper is almost 15 or 15.1 inches, which is perfect for 2-year baby. Now make chain 1 and pull the extra yarn. Pull a long yarn tail to join these 2 parts together and cut the extra yarn. Now join these 2 parts together. To join these, go into this first double crochet stitch here, and then go into this first double crochet stitch here, and then join them by weaving them with the help of needle. Go into the same stitch again and weave this first stitch one more time. Now go into this second stitch of both sides and then go into this third and third stitch of both side, then go into this fourth stitch of both side. So this is the method of joining these two parts together. So repeat the same pattern and join the whole side. Now into this last stitch, first of all make a slip stitch and then open our shoes and go into this inner side, and after going into the inner side weave your extra yarn to some back side stitches and cut the extra yarn. Now we are going to make a simple chain border with the other color yarn. So make a slip knot with the other color yarn, and from this joining side into this very first stitch pull the yarn and then pull through 2 loops to make your first single crochet stitch. Now go into this side stitch and make single crochet 2, then go into this side stitch again and make single crochet 3. After making 3 single crochet stitches, make 3 chains, go into this first loop and this side loop of our single crochet stitch like this, and pull the yarn and pull through this loop to make a simple chain picot. Now go into this next row side space and make single crochet 1, into the same make single crochet 2. Now go into this third side space and make single crochet 3, into this third single crochet stitch we are going to make our chain picot again. So make chain 3, go into the first loop and the side loop of our single crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through this loop to make a chain picot. Now make a second single crochet stitch into the same, and now go into the next row side space and make 2 single crochet stitches here. So total of 3 single crochet stitches, 1 in the previous row and 2 in this row. So into this third single crochet stitch make chain 3 and a chain picot, repeat the same pattern. So after completing this one side, for this open part go into this very first stitch where we have done our last double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and then go into the next double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a single crochet together stitch. This is our 3 single crochet stitches. Into this third single crochet stitch make chain 3 and pull the yarn through these 2 loops and make a chain picot. Now again make 3 single crochet stitches into the next 3 stitches, and into this third one make our chain picot. Now again make 3 single crochet stitches and then make chain picot. I hope you can easily understand the pattern. Now again make single crochet 1, go into this last double crochet stitch and into the next double crochet stitch where we have done our very first double crochet stitch. Pull the yarn and make a single crochet together stitch here. We are making this single crochet together stitch to make a more fine edge. So now we have done our 3 single crochet stitches. One of them is single crochet together stitch. So now make a chain picot, make a chain picot. So now repeat the same pattern for the side of these rows. Make 2 single crochet stitches into every side and into our third single crochet stitch make chain picot. Repeat this process till the end. So after completing this, into this last stitch and into this first stitch from where we have started our stitch, make a single crochet together stitch and then make chain 3 and then from all these 3 loops pull the yarn and pull through this loop to make a chain picot and then go into this first single crochet stitch here and make a slip stitch to finish this row. Now cut the extra yarn and weave your extra yarn with the help of needle. As we have decorated these shoes with the help of 3 mini crochet flower, 5 petal flower, decorate the other side as well. So friends, here is the final look for our simple home sleeper for 2-year kids. You can also make this in different sizes. Like, share and